Next topic is creating a table in HTML. So it's displayed on the screen, creating a table. Very first thing is that a table is always arranged in rows and columns. These horizontals are rows and vertical are columns. And this individual is called cell. Okay, children. Next is tables are created. What for the tables are created? Tables are created for presenting information or data in a comprehensive manner and to make comparative analysis of data. The comparison becomes easy when we talk in terms of table. So to create a table in HTML, we have tag HTML and table and slash table, which is given here in the program. So table tag indicates the starting of table in HTML and slash table indicates end of table tag in HTML. Now to create a table, we have some other tags also, and those tags are TR for table row, TD for table data, and TH for table heading. TR, TD and TH, and all these three are container tags, that is they contain ending tags also, /TR, /TD and /TH. Okay, children. So the program which is given here, this program you have to write in your computer copy in practical portion. This contains table /table, TH that is heading of the table, TR/TR that is a row of the table, and TD and /TD for the data of the table. Okay, children. Next is attributes of the table tag. Now the attributes of the table tags are border and border color. You only have to give heading. You have to give heading, that is border and border color. This heading you have to give attributes of the table tag, and then you have to write border and /border, syntax for border and syntax for border color. These two tags are used, border and border color tags are used for getting these lines, in HTML. These borders we get with the help of border tag, and we can change the color of it by border BG color. So children, this next program also you have to write in your fair computer copy, which contains these two table attribute, border and border color. Okay. Third one is, or the next one is BG color. Now the BG color, as it says, BG color is background color. We can change this background color. Background here for table. First you have to give heading BG color, then you have to write down this syntax, border B is equals to 3 and BG color is equals to white. So the background color of table is white. Next you have to write down heading for align. Alignment means the align in the cell, whether you have to align your text at the center, left or right. Okay, so the align attribute is used to specify the alignment of the table. By default the table is aligned left, it is aligned to left. So after giving this align, you have to write down this syntax in the copy. Next is cell padding. Cell padding, this attribute sets the margin within the cell, means whatever cell we have, how much space you have to leave from left side, that we give in cell padding. As it is given here, cell padding is equals to 10, so 10 pixels from left hand side it will leave in the cell. And what is cell spacing? Cell spacing means the space between the cell. This attribute is used to specify the minimum distance between two adjacent cells. How much difference between two cells? There are two cells, तो इन दो cells के बीच में क्या difference होगा, ये कौन बताता है? Cell spacing. Then what is height and width? Height and width tag is used. We can change the overall height and width of the table. You can change the height and width of entire table. Okay, and for that the syntax is given here. You have to give it in the same way, that is width is or height is 300 and width is 400. You can also give it other way, that is height is 80 and width is 50%. Okay children, so all these things you have to write in your fair computer copy in practical portion. Thank you children.